Do you need to break the bank on ads or endless content to get clients as a fitness coach in 2025? This is a common question I hear, and I'm here to say that no, you don't need to break the bank in order to sign new clients, and that this is the biggest bullshit in the fitness coaching business, period. So today, we're going to be talking about how you can sign 15 high-paying clients without ads and without endless content. And if you wait till the end, I'm going to give you one single post template that will land you at least one $2,000 customer within the next 24 to 48 hours. Because there is a straight up easier way. And what if I were to tell you that all the high paying clients you want all waiting for you in one place that nobody talks about? Everyone's out there saying post more content and run more ads. Meanwhile, one of our clients used one of our client acquisition systems inside of Facebook groups without posting on their feed, without spending a dollar, and without being spammy. This method landed him over 20 high ticket clients and basically built his business from scratch when he had $0. And today I'm breaking it down step by step so that you can ethically steal it. Let's break through the noise. You don't need to go viral to get new clients. You don't need a big audience. What you do need is attention from the right people in the right place with the right value. This is why Facebook groups are one of the most slept on marketing channels in 2025, because there's literally communities of your dream clients already hanging out, already talking about the problems, and already looking for help. Now, this is going to be your best solution if you want to make money fast and you don't have a big audience and you don't have a lot of money to spend. Now, you might be thinking, but Eric, if it's so easy, isn't everyone doing? Well, you should be surprised how many people completely disregard this single method entirely. And most coaches who do attempt this are walking into groups with a pitchfork instead of a plan. So the competition is actually extremely low because nobody knows what the fuck they're doing. So in this video, I'm gonna break down my group hacking method. I'll cover how one of my clients turned Facebook groups into a consistent client pipeline using zero spam, zero ads, and zero energy on DMs. Step one is to find the right groups, not just the big ones, but the right groups. This is where 90% of people mess up. They join the biggest entrepreneur or fitness groups thinking that size equals success. And like they say, size doesn't always matter, right? But that's like yelling in Times Square. You might be loud, but nobody's listening. Instead, you want targeted niched groups. For example, if you help online coaches, join groups called Online Fitness Business Tips. If you serve moms, find groups that are for busy moms meal prepping. Even better, look for unofficial communities, groups started by creators or coaches in your niche. These are high trust zones. The conversations are active, the members are qualified, and most importantly, they haven't been sold to yet. So now that you have the community, how the hell do you approach them? Step two is show value, not a pitch. Because let's be honest, most people enter these groups and drop a salesy post like, "Hey, I'm a coach, DM me for help." Nobody wants that. Instead, imagine just walking into a room full of your dream clients and just answering a question they are already asking. That's the mindset. Give advice, share wins, and break down a helpful framework. One of my clients posted a 3-step nutrition hack in a busy moms group. No call to action, no pitch, just pure help. This post blew up. It got 40 plus likes, 20 plus comments because value sticks. People remember those who help, not those who hype. Once you understand this, you can start to move them towards an actual paying customer. Step three, turning your comments into micro conversations. This is where the momentum starts to snowball. Let's say you post something valuable and someone comments, "Dude, this was super helpful." Most people will just like the comment and then move on, but not you, because your boy is here to save you. Instead, you reply, ask a follow-up. "Hey John, glad it helped. What are you currently working on?" Then another person comments, same thing. Then another person comments, same exact thing. Rinse and repeat. Now you're stacking mini conversations publicly in the comments. And guess what? Everyone in the group is watching. You're building trust in real time. People are seeing you're a real person giving real value and real advice. You're positioning yourself as a go-to expert without ever pitching anything. Great. So now you're giving a ton of value and people are actually interested in what you have to say. So how do you get them into your program? Step 4, slide into DMs, but only when invited. This part is where you either win big or you get blocked. You see, the trick isn't to cold message strangers. It's to warm them up so much that the DMs become natural. Here's a line that I've used 100 million times. Hey, insert name. Saw you comment on my last post. John, I've got a quick idea that might help. Mind if I share it here? No pressure, no pitch, just permission based. And 9 times out of 10, they say yes. So now your DMs is filled with qualified prospects who trust you. Now what? Step 5. Using DM scripts that lead to the call, not the sale. Here's how you close, but not with some manipulative closing line. You use a proven framework. Open with a question, ask about their pain, qualify their seriousness, and then offer a quick Zoom call to go deeper. The DM is just the hallway. The Zoom call is the room where the transformation happens. Don't try to sell in the chats unless you want to get banned from the groups that you put in so much effort to become an authority in. All that's left to do is to sit back and relax. And congratulations, you now know how to sign new clients through Facebook in 2025. But if you want to take it even further and start attracting clients to you instead of reaching out to them, you have to be using your expertise in a more leverageable way, which brings me to step 6, posting consistently but strategically. One post won't build your pipeline, consistency does. But that doesn't mean posting daily. Post once or twice per week with high value content, a client win story, a quick lesson or framework, a myth busting tip that triggers conversations. Every post is a net in the water. You never know who's watching quietly until they DM you saying, hey, I've been following you for a while. Can we talk? Don't overcomplicate this, but the chances of someone buying from you will greatly increase as long as you have something of value on your profile. Step 7, incentivize the Zoom call. Sometimes I'll sweeten the pot. I'll say, hey, I'm offering a free 20-minute strategy call for group members this week. Do you want one? Simple. It's easy and it feels exclusive. The call's still a qualification conversation, but now they're showing up with higher intent. Remember, the key is positioning. You're not selling, you're solving. If you're watching this and you're thinking, Eric, I get it, but I need the exact post, the exact DMs, the exact call script. That's literally what we build inside my program. We create your full organic client acquisition system from group to call to close, so you never have to rely on luck again. If you want that blueprint, click the link in the description below. Now, it's not for everyone, but if you're ready to roll, you're serious, then let's go. Most people spend months trying to build an audience. You don't have time for that. This method puts you in front of existing audiences today. This is how you leverage other people's audiences without spending a penny. And you don't need more content, you don't need more conversations, and Facebook groups are the fastest way to start if you don't have any money. If this video helped, make sure you hit that button, drop a comment, and subscribe. And if you want the full strategy custom built for you, you know where to find me. So once again, go in the description to get that, and we'll see you on the next one.